Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 1. Find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are 3 cm and 4 cm, 12 meter and 21 meter, 2 km and 3 km, 2 meter and 70 cm. Right? That is question number A. Areas of the rectangles. Question number A. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle, we know that the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Suppose this is a rectangle, this is length and this is breadth. Therefore, area of rectangle is length into breadth, length into breadth. In this case, which is the length? That is 4 cm is the length. Therefore, we write here 4. And which one is breadth? Breadth is 3 cm. That is 4 into 3. And the unit will be centimeter into centimeter is equal to square centimeter. Square centimeter. That comes to 4 3 12 square centimeter. 12 square centimeter. This is for question number A. Now question number B. Question number B is area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is L into B. L into B. What is the length? Length is 21 meter. Therefore, it is 21 into, what is the breadth? Breadth is 12 meter. That is 21 into 12. In the unit will be meter into meter. That is square meter. Square meter. And that comes to, if we multiply 21 with 12. That is 2 1 2. 2 2 4. 1 1. 2 1 2. That is 2. 4 plus 1 5. 252. That is 252 square meter. Square meter. Now question number C is that is 2 km and 3 km. Therefore, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. What is the length in this case? Here you see 3 km is the length. 3 km is the length. That is 3. And 2 km is the breadth. Breadth, that is 3 into 2. And the unit will be square kilometer. Square kilometer. And that comes to 3 to just 6 square kilometer. 6 SQ square and not meter, but it is kilometer. Let us write square kilometer. If it rub it first, I am rubbing this one. That is 6 square kilometer, right? 6 square kilometer. This is square kilometer. Now question number D. Question number D is to find the area of the rectangle. That is area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. That is equal to, here you see one is meter, another is centimeter. We have to change into same unit. That is, we are changing into centimeter, right? 2 meter, Why? We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore we take 2 meter as 200 centimeter, 200 centimeter, right? Therefore here length is 200 centimeter, 200, and breadth is 70 centimeter, 70 centimeter. Unit will be square centimeter. If we multiply 7 to the 14, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 square centimeter, square centimeter, right? And if we change into, this is 14,000 square centimeter, right? You can change into meter also, right? You can change square meter also. Suppose this one is 70 centimeter, you can change. There is another way of expressing this one, that is you can do in this way also. Suppose this one is length into breadth of the rectangle is length into breadth, length into breadth. And what is the length of this? This is 2 meter, that is 2 meter. 2 into, if we change this 70 centimeter into meter, it will be divided by 100, that is 70 by 100 meter, but 0.7 meter, that is it is equal to 0.7 meter. It is equal to 0.7, 0.7, and then it will be a square meter, right? And we are getting 7 to the 14, right? 7 to the 14, carry 1.4 square meter. In this way you can also express. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.